Hey, fragrance family, there is something about having an amazing body oil that just sets your layering combo and your scent of the day. It just sets it off. So stay tuned so we can talk about an oil that I'm actually falling in love with. Also, please be sure to share, like, and subscribe. This is new to me. I'm trying to get my YouTube channel up, so every share, every like, and every subscriber, every comment is so appreciated. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm getting ready, and I just got a new PR package in from Brown Sugar Babe. It was for their Valentine's Day theme fragrance line or body oil line, and it is the Love Jones collection. And when I tell you I am in love, I am in love. Shout out to Brown Sugar Babe. Y'all, honestly, they make some of the best body oils, if not the best body oil. And I'm not just being biased because I'm a babe. I honestly really love their body oils. And guys, if you want a 10% discount on your body oils, make sure to use Siage Sisters 10. I will put it on the screen. Again, that's Siage Sisters 10. And you use that at checkout and you could get a little discounted count. Okay, so back at the schedule at hand. I wanted to highlight a body oil that I honestly feel literally helps a fragrance that I love, but the fragrance is not it's not long, it doesn't last long enough. It doesn't project good enough, but the fragrance is amazing. And so body oils could be very helpful with making your fragrance just pop a little bit more. And honestly, that's what I love about Brown Sugar Babe oils, because sometimes their oils are so potent that you don't even need the original fragrance. But when you're a fragrance addict, you definitely want the fragrance to go with the body oil. So today I'm wearing a like champagne themed kind of fragrance. We're going to go through everything, but of course, first I got the showered, and then when I get out, I always like to use a body lotion or body cream. And today I chose EOS, their pink champagne. Y'all, this is actually one of my favorite body lotions, like from the line. And like, honestly, of all time, there's something about this pink champagne that does it for me. So this here is what I moisturize my body with right after I get out the shower. So I am discussing this in the way that I layer when I get out the shower. So usually after I shower with my body wash, I get out, I tap off, like slightly dry myself, and then I'll put a body lotion or a body cream on. I did use the shower gel from EOS that matched that. We'll talk about that later, but yeah, they just came out and they released some of their lotions. They released some body washes with it and body oil. So, you know, I picked it up because it's one of my favorite fragrances. So next I put my body oil on, and y'all, here it is. It is Sparkling Blush from Brown Sugar Babe. Now, this is supposed to be inspired by Pink Me Up. But let's talk about this beautiful bottle. Like, Brown Sugar Babe did it for this Valentine's Day collection. And the pink bottles were limited, so only the first, not few, but 1,000 or 1,000, I don't remember, orders have the pink bottle. So I like this. I think this is a unique twist to the Brown Sugar Babe bottles. And it's beautiful for the Valentine's Day theme. But again, this one is called Sparkling Blush. And it is inspired by Pink Me Up, which I'll show you in a second. But y'all, this body oil is potent. It smells amazing. And it is a great addition to the original fragrance because literally it just makes your fragrance go like way longer. Now, y'all know I do not go a day without doing a perfume oil. Don't judge me. I literally just want my perfume to really last. So I honestly wear a perfume oil every day. And today I chose Amber Bloom by Sand and Fog. I don't know if you can see it, but Sand and Fog has the dropper body oils that I get from the TJ Maxx or Marshalls. And Amber Bloom has that black currant, and black currant can sometimes come off as a champagne-y like smell. So I like that. It has pink pepper, bergamot, rose, magnolia, mixed berries, amber, and moss. So this is a beautiful perfume oil. I honestly kind of use it a lot. It's one of my favorite. The Amber Bloom is one of my favorite sand and fog oils, perfume oils from them. So yes, I did use this as a perfume oil. Now, if you know me, you know that I am a Tiffany's & Company's girl. My theme of my life is Tiffany's & Co. I love the color. I love that teal, that Tiffany's blue, that turquoise. That is my thing. And so, of course, you know, I got just about every Tiffany's fragrance that was released. And so this time, what I'm wearing, I always put my strongest fragrance first that I feel is like the strongest one. And today I am using Tiffany's Rose Gold or Tiffany's Gold. This is a beautiful rose fragrance, and it layers so perfectly with what I'm going for today. I love this fragrance. I do have some of the other ones, but this one, honestly, is just so pretty to me. This fragrance also has black currant, and I'm a black currant girl, but again, black currant gives me that bubbly, citrusy, like kind of champagne feel. So I did pull black currant. It's part of my layering combo for today. Last but definitely not least is my main perfume. And when I say main, I mean this was the theme of the party. This was the showstopper. But again, the longevity for this fragrance, honestly, is not very long, and it does not have like a great sillage. So honestly, to have a body oil to enhance this is like, it's amazing. Chef's kiss. So this is Pink Me Up. Pink Me Up. First of all, look at this bottle. And like the gold flakes inside of the bottle, like the presentation is amazing. Y'all know how I am about presentation. Pink Me Up is by Atelier des Ors, and it is a beautiful fragrance. It's a beautiful fragrance that needs a little help. And honestly, my brown sugar babe oil did the thing for this fragrance. If you have not tried this fragrance out, definitely try it out. Y'all see that dent, right? I wear my stuff. I be wearing these fragrances, but again, I've always felt that I had to spray a little bit more because I felt like it just wasn't doing what it's supposed to do. But honestly, y'all, with the perfume oil, the body oil, and the fragrances, like I am humming right now. They gonna smell me before I get there, and that's the way I love it. So that's it for my layering combo today. I had to share with you guys. I am trying to, again, get better with talking longer and doing my YouTube videos. So you guys continue to rock with me and continue to help me get through this journey, because this is not easy. This area is new for me. I'm like used to the shorts and the reels. And so I am stepping out and trying something different. Please like, please follow, subscribe, share, and definitely follow me on TikTok, TheSmellGoodNP on TikTok, and SmellGoodNP on IG. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. You are honestly my fragrance cousins. And so thank you. I appreciate it, and I'll see you soon. I am trying to do more videos for YouTube. Be patient with me, because y'all, why y'all tell me that YouTube ain't no joke when it comes to editing? It's definitely a different platform, definitely a different way to do things, but I'm learning. So again, thank y'all. I smell amazing today. Try it out and let me know what you think. Okay? Bye.